Get ready to unlock the real power of Smartlink networks in the adult industry for 2025, where choosing the right tools isn't just helpful, it's how you survive and thrive. Today I'm walking you through 10 of the most powerful, profitable, and proven Smartlink networks that beginners can start with right away, and advanced marketers can use to gain an edge that's tough to copy. These networks are the engines behind some of the most successful adult traffic campaigns on the web, connecting your traffic to the highest paying offers automatically using advanced AI, custom targeting, and smart optimization. Whether you're just starting out or you're managing creators, cam models, or full-blown agencies, these tips will give you everything you need to grow, scale, and monetize. First up is Crack Revenue, one of the oldest and most trusted names in the game. With over 11 years of adult traffic experience, Crack Revenue offers smart links that adapt in real time using AI to connect users with the most relevant offers based on their country, device, and behavior. That means every click you send is matched to the best possible page, boosting your earnings per click without you needing to do the guesswork. If you're brand new, just sign up, copy your smart link, and share it on X or embed it in blog posts with adult teasers. If you're more advanced, Crack Revenue's pop-under ads can give you a click boost by placing hidden windows behind a user's browser, which can be sneaky but effective. Just make sure your traffic source allows it. Bonus tip, pick niches like MILF dating or cuckold chat where payout rates are high and competition is still manageable. Second on our list is Trophy, a network that truly lets your earnings run free. Known for smart optimization and a huge number of offers, Trophy automatically tailors the best offer for each user click using location-based data and interest matching. Beginners, just drop their smart link into Telegram groups or tweet it out with a spicy preview image, and you're good to go. But here's where it gets clever. Trophy has a referral program that gives you 5% of whatever your referred users make, so if you invite 5 other creators and they each earn $1,000 a month, you just made $250 on top of your own. That's called stacking strategies, and it works like compound interest. Third is Ads Empire, and if you love data and dating niches, this one's a match made in money heaven. Specializing in dating offers like cougar, gay, MILF, and more, Ads Empire runs in over 50 countries and focuses on adult and mainstream dating traffic. For new users, it's as easy as copying your smart link and posting it under a relevant tweet or blog teaser, like top 5 cougar dating sites you didn't know about. For advanced users, test their direct CPA offers alongside smart links and compare which format gives you better ROI. It's like picking between peanut butter and jelly or just combining both for the perfect sandwich. Speaking of sandwiches, one affiliate said they made enough on Ads Empire to fund a midnight snack obsession for an entire year. Now that's a tasty campaign. Fourth is I Monetize It, which many pros overlook but shouldn't, because it works on nearly every traffic source you can imagine, including push notifications, banner ads, email, and more. Beginners can just take the smart link and drop it into Reddit threads or Telegram chats and watch the clicks roll in. More experienced marketers should head straight into I Monetize It's analytics dashboard, see which geos and devices are converting best, and then run push ads on platforms like Richard's starting at 1 cent per click. Try pairing adult games with Android traffic from Brazil and watch your ROI climb like a squirrel up a peanut tree. Fifth is Mob Idea, a veteran in the SmartLink world that knows how to fine-tune your results like a violin in a jazz band. Known for high-volume dating offers and geo-specific optimization, Mob Idea works well for both mainstream and adult verticals. If you're starting from scratch, grab a smart link and test it out across a few platforms, X, a blog, even your YouTube descriptions if the content fits. For advanced players, Mob Idea's sub-ID tracking is pure gold. Use different sub-IDs for each traffic source, like one for your blog, one for your Telegram channel, and another for a pop ad campaign. Then check your reports and double down on whatever performs best. Sixth is Los Palos, a quirky name but a serious contender. Los Palos specializes in adult and gambling offers and provides automatic optimization across all your traffic. If you're new, share their smart link with a blog post titled Best Cams for Late Night Fun, and watch the earnings add up. For more seasoned promoters, Los Palos pop-under ads can be combined with niche-focused teaser sites, think BBW or gamer cams, to grab attention and clicks. One hilarious moment I heard from a friend: they earned so much from a Los Palos SmartLink campaign in 1 week, they bought a fish tank and named every fish after their top converting geo. Here comes Germany, and there goes Brazil. Seventh is Adsterra, a network that works both for adult and mainstream offers, which makes it versatile and stable. It provides real-time tracking, responsive support, and optimized smart links for adult verticals including cams, dating, and games. Beginners can embed links in blog posts or paste them in X threads with juicy thumbnails and taglines like "Discover tonight's top 10 cam stars." Advanced marketers can run native ads or push ads via Adsterra's platform and feed that traffic into their Smartlink funnels. Use tracker tools like Bmob or ClickMagick to see which sources are over-delivering. A friend once joked they were going to buy a yacht named Smartlink Sally because of 1 month's Adsterra earnings. Hey, dream big, right? Eighth is Candy Offers, a sweet little network that brings real heat. Candy Offers gives you access to over 200 exclusive dating offers and boasts 10% higher commissions compared to standard networks. Their smart links use AI to match traffic with top-performing pre-landers and offers by country. If you're just getting started, toss their smart link into Telegram groups where people already share adult content links. Advanced folks should use Candy Offers' geo-targeted pre-landers to customize campaigns and make the funnel feel more personal. If you're targeting France, use a landing page written in French with local payment options. It builds trust and converts better. Ninth is Pamatica, which offers a tool called Flow that helps you track and scale with precision. This network features white label options, loyalty bonuses, and top-performing offers in both adult games and dating. Beginners can use their Flow Smartlink to start earning from email marketing campaigns with catchy subject lines like "Feeling bored?" Click here. Pros can go deeper, setting up branded landing pages through their white label program to create consistency and authority across platforms. It's like turning your Smartlink into a mini brand, clean, smooth, and hard to beat. 10th, we have Rainmaker, a newer player powered by machine learning that's getting serious results. Rainmaker's Smartlinks constantly test and rotate offers to find the one that fits the user best, even if they're switching devices or locations. Beginners, this is perfect for blogs or social feeds. Add a teaser with a headline like "You won't believe what she does on cam #5, and let Rainmaker handle the rest. Advanced users can run push ads from places like Richards, filter traffic by browser, device, and location, and feed it into the Rainmaker Smartlink, tweaking and testing every variable. Germany, Spain, and Japan are high-performing right now, so consider those for your next test campaign. And that brings us to the end of this Smartlink deep dive, where we've explored the top 10 networks you need to know in 2025. Crack Revenue, Trophy, Ads Empire, I Monetize It, Mob Idea, Los Palos, Adsterra, Candy Offers, Pamatica, and Rainmaker. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize campaigns at scale, these networks offer powerful tools, advanced AI, and flexible payout models to help you turn simple clicks into serious cash. One last laugh before we wrap. I once heard of a Smartlink promoter who earned so much in one weekend, they bought a parrot that only screams more clicks every morning. Talk about motivation with feathers. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with a friend who needs to level up their affiliate game. Want to go even deeper and build a traffic system that earns while you sleep? Book a call with me, join our school community, or check out my consulting and services in the link below. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next video, or better yet, binge the next one right now while your coffee's still hot and your traffic's flowing strong.